And on that, recently the association brought together a carom tournament at the Mantra restaurant in New Jersey, hosting an in-person event after more than a year of the pandemic. With many excited players, the event was successful in bringing together carom lovers, and the singles championship was won by Ranjit Sapre. ITV Gold spoke to him and key organizers of the carom tournament. Here is the story.
Yes, you did it. Yes, you did. Woo! Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank my dad,
And finally, the winner of NewsCar Singles, Ranjit Sapre, wins the huge amount $500. And here is the trophy. Wow!
Very happy to be part of the NewsCar's Open Carom Tournament. Thanks a lot to NewsCar for arranging this. Thanks a lot to ITV Gold for doing the media coverage of this event. I had only heard about it, but it was awesome to witness up close the passion that NewsCar has to bring in new talent and new players and give them an opportunity to play with the top players in the US. This in no way was a small tournament. It had all the top players as well as amateur players. What do I say? Great arrangements, lodging for outstation players, amazing food from Mantra restaurants, and safety, COVID-related safety taken care, sanitizer everywhere, everyone vaccinated. So overall, such a great arrangement, and we had a great time. Amazing semis and finals. Not just them, we had many other nail-biting matches throughout the tournament. I hope we will have many more such tournaments in the future. Thank you.
As part of this Northeast United States Carom Association, we have conducted many tournaments in past. We have conducted 2 in-person tournaments and 1 online tournament, which was a huge success. And now we are gathering once again for an in-person tournament after a year and a half. And you know the reason why. Because of the unprecedented situations which we have because of COVID. And we are glad that we are able to gather one more time after the pandemic situation, because we have most of the people over here vaccinated. The association is mainly formed by our president Abul Shakil Beg, and I'm the secretary Arshad Sheikh. We have our NewsCar team formed by Oscar, Narayanan, Tejaswi, Viral. We are glad that we have our sponsors who encourage us every time. They are Karim Rayani, Masood, Parivar Delights, Golconda. And a special thanks to Farooq and Oscar and Munaf for donating for this tournament.
Today, May 21st, is a very eventful day. Almost after 1.5 years, we are back here for face-to-face tournaments. USCA could not conduct any tournaments last year due to COVID. NewsCar, the North American US Carom Association, in leadership with Shakil Beg, Arshad, Rao Saab, and the rest of the folks have done a wonderful job bringing all of us together. This is a wonderful sport that we all love. We are very fortunate to be back playing, and we hope to continue this events going forward.
Hey everybody. Thank you ITV for coming to cover this wonderful event. NEUSCA was formed a couple of years back and has been conducting tournaments in Northeast New Jersey for the last couple of years. Last year, due to the pandemic, we couldn't host anything, but this year, after these things have settled down and after all the people have gotten vaccinated here, Shakil Bhai and Arshad have taken the onus on organizing this wonderful event. It's like about 30 odd people showed up, and that's a good start. And a lot of focus will be on this wonderful game of Carom, and I'm thoroughly enjoying the event so far. There's beautiful boards, beautiful setup, and wonderful and tasty food. Thank you very much for the NEUSCA organizing committee and all the players who have participated for this arrangement. Hopefully we can conduct more tournaments now that the pandemic situation is settling down. So thanks again ITV for covering this. We need all the patronizing that we can get for this game, so that we can get more people involved with the game and the Carom community. Thank you very much.
I came to this tournament to participate after a long time after COVID. This tournament has been conducted and it's really good, and since it was only a one-day event, singles and doubles took place on the same day, and it's very exciting to play whole day.
As the president of USCA and vice president of ICF International Carom Federation, I am all excited to have first in-person tournament of this year 2021. Last year 2020 and this first 6 months of 2021 were washed out because of COVID. All this while we were taking all the measures and we were doing online tournaments to keep Carom alive. But Northeast United States Carom Association, with the help of our President Shakil and Secretary Arshad, we are here and we are all excited to have first in-person tournament. We are taking all the care. We are wearing masks, we are using sanitizers, we are keeping nice distance, and we are going to complete this one-day event. I would like to announce that October last week, Halloween week, we are going to celebrate 25th National of United States Carom Association. So we are all excited and we would like to invite everyone to participate in this tournament that's going to happen in Wayne, New Jersey. And I would like to have continued support from ITV and all our sponsors. I once again thank you everyone for participating in this tournament.